Hey, this is Alan Cowgill, and I am so delighted to tell you I'm going to be coming to Arlington, Texas again. I can't wait for the HEB Real Estate Investment Group. This is going to rock. It's for your evening meeting, June the 4th, and you need to show up. I'd love to have you a picture in a group just like this. I want to talk to you a little bit about a slice of what I'm going to talk about at the meeting. Many of you, in fact, when I take surveys all over the nation, I find that 85% of the folks are going to banks. And so I have to assume that you are thinking about going to banks. So let's take a stark look at reality. Number one is that you can lose some of the best deals because somebody comes along and buys it out from underneath you. You got to have money down. Mine wanted 20% down, and frankly, for some of you, that's a showstopper. That's a wheelbarrow full of money. And then points and loan fees. Granted, they don't charge a lot, but they're still eroding your profit base. There's a better way to fund your deals. You won't finance some unusual deals. I'll show you some of mine they wouldn't have touched that I made tens of thousands of dollars on, all because I had private money from private individuals loaning me their money. And then monthly payments. Half my deals without monthly payments, and by the time I'm done teaching you on June the 4th, you could do 100% of your deals without monthly payments. I want you to just dwell on that. Just imagine that for a minute. They take time. I wanted to buy a duplex. Place appraised okay. Credit's okay. Took the bank 4.5 months to make up their mind. That's ludicrous. I could have lost that deal. Today I can get an offer accepted on a Monday and own the property on a Friday. Wouldn't you rather live in that world? And you got no relationship with the bank, but you think you do. You are lulled into a sense of security because you've got somebody's name and their business card. And I'm here to tell you, you got air. You got nothing. Because they can quit, retire, get laid off, get promoted, and you got to start all over again. Or they'll change the rules like they do for so many investors, myself included. Look, come to the meeting. June the 4th. It's your monthly meeting. You ought to be there anyhow. And I'll tell you what, there's only 4 parts of a real estate deal at the very top level. Number 1 is you got to find the property and a motivated seller. Number 2 is what I'm all about. Number 2 is the money. Number 2 is how to fund the deal. Number 3 is you typically fix it to enhance the value, and then 4, you either keep it long term or you flip it, you sell it. If you can't get by this second item, you are dead in this business. It is the number 1 item everybody struggles on until you learn my systems on how to get money. Come and join me. It'll be a great night. You got nothing to lose, everything to gain. To your wealth. I'll see you at the meeting.